Question 23. Gustavo decided to look more carefully at his balances for the last 5 years to see if the bank's predictions might be a mistake. He put together the table below. So here's a table that he put. So on top is the years, on bottom is dollars. So we know that 2 years, there's $440 in his account. 3 years, there's $460 in his account. 4 years, $480. 5 years, $500. So remember from the last question, we decided that it was growing by $20 every year. And so this kind of shows that. All right. So how has Gustavo's bank balance been growing? So that would be that question. Is it's growing by $20 every year is what it's going up by. Part B, does Gustavo's money seem to be doubling as the number of years double? Explain your reasoning. So we want to know, is his money doubling as the years double? I'm going to say no, because if I take a look at this and this, if I double the 2 years, that would get me here to 4 years, and that means that this would be 880, and that's not how much he has in there. So his money is not doubling as the years double, which is kind of what he thought was going on in the first place. So definitely it is not doubling. Get rid of that. All right, last question. Is the bank's prediction a mistake? Explain your answer. I don't think it's a mistake, and here's why. Every year it's going up by 20. So if I were to do this and go backwards a year, so if I go after 1 year, then he would have $420 in the bank. If I go back another year to 0, which would be like his initial year, what he actually put in the bank to start out, it shows that this would be 400 because we took 20 away, because every year, notice that there's a difference of 20. So it looks like somebody put $400 in the bank for him to start things off. And then after that, every year it grew by 20. So I don't think the banks made a mistake. I think his reasoning made a mistake when he thought he could double the years and then double the money.